Good afternoon, sir. How can I help you today?
Good afternoon, young man. I need to fill up my car, please. It's running low on fuel.
Of course. What kind of fuel do you usually use? We have regular, premium, and diesel. Do you know which one your car needs?
I always use regular, I think. Yes, regular fuel will be fine.
All right, regular it is. How much would you like to fill up today? A full tank or just a little to get you by?
Oh, I think I'll fill up the tank. I'm planning a long drive, so I want to make sure I have enough fuel for the trip.
Good idea. Where are you off to? It sounds like you're going somewhere far.
I'm going to visit my daughter. She lives about 2 hours away in a small town. I haven't seen her in a while, so I'm looking forward to it.
That's nice. It's always good to visit family. Is it a special occasion or just a regular visit?
Just a regular visit this time. We usually see each other a couple of times a year. I don't drive as much these days, but I try to make the trip when I can.
It must be nice to get away from home for a bit and spend time with your daughter. The drive should be pleasant today. The weather's perfect for a road trip.
Yes, the weather looks good. It's sunny but not too hot. I just hope it stays like this for the rest of the day. I don't want to get stuck in the rain halfway there.
I checked the weather earlier and it looks like it's going to stay clear. No rain in the forecast, so you should have a smooth trip.
That's good to hear. I always check the weather before long trips, but you can never be too sure. It's best to be prepared.
Definitely. A full tank of gas and good weather. Sounds like you're all set for a nice drive. Your car's filling up now. It will just take a couple of minutes.
That's fine. I'm not in any rush. I'm leaving early so I can take my time on the road.
That's smart. It's always better to leave early and drive safely. Some people rush and it leads to problems. Better to enjoy the journey, right?
Absolutely. When you're my age, you learn not to rush things. I've been driving for many years and I always prefer to take it slow and steady. No need to hurry.
That's a good approach. A calm, relaxed drive is always better than stressing out on the road. It's safer too. Do you drive long distances often?
Not as much as I used to. I used to drive all the time, but these days only when I have to. I mostly drive to visit family or run errands around town.
I see. Well, it sounds like today's drive will be a nice change of pace for you.
Yes, it will. I enjoy the open road. It gives me time to think and relax. Plus, the highway is usually quiet during the week.
That's true. Weekdays are much quieter than weekends. You should have a smooth drive, especially with the weather being so nice.
I hope so. It'll be good to spend some time with my daughter. I haven't seen her in a few months. She's always busy with work, and I don't like to bother her too much.
I'm sure she'll be happy to see you. Family time is important, especially when you don't see each other often.
It really is. I always look forward to our visits. We usually spend the weekend together just relaxing and catching up.
That sounds great. Do you stay at her place for the weekend?
Yes, I usually stay for a couple of days. It's nice to get away from home for a bit and spend time with her. We cook meals together and sometimes go for walks. It's very peaceful.
That sounds like a lovely weekend. It's always good to take a break and enjoy time with loved ones.
Yes, it's important. Time goes by so fast, and I want to make the most of it.
I couldn't agree more. Your tank is almost full now, just another minute.
That's fine. Take your time.
While we're waiting, would you like me to check your tire pressure or clean your windshield?
Actually, yes, the windshield could use a cleaning. It's a bit dusty from the road.
I'll take care of that for you. It'll just take a minute.
Thanks for that. It's much better now. I can see clearly again.
No problem, sir. It's always good to have a clean windshield, especially for long drives. Your tank is all filled up now. The total comes to $55. Will you be paying by card or cash?
I'll pay by card today. Let me just get it from my wallet.
No rush. You can head inside to pay and I'll finish up here.
All right, I'll go pay now.
I've paid for the fuel. Thanks for your help.
You're all set, sir. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's everything. You've been very helpful. I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. Have a safe trip and enjoy your time with your daughter.
Thank you. I'm sure it'll be a nice visit. Have a good day.
You too, sir. Take care and drive safely.
I will. Thanks again.
Thank you for watching. If you think this video was helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us make more useful content for learning English. See you in the next video.